Shout it.
TheTrendsetters.com.
It's a freestyle, man. And it's so real. Let's go. Shawty, I'm ill. I think I need a pill. Shawty be talking, kick dough. Now that the steel hit him in his grill. George Foreman, nigga, I'm so real. I'm off the train, nigga. No, I ain't off the rail. Y'all niggas ain't really hard. I think he's very frail. And I be spitting these flows. Yeah, it needs a jail. Lockdown, these niggas be talking real hard. But I'ma show them 9 click clock when I break his heart. Dear God, I think he fell off. And I'ma make this chopper hit him in his lungs, dog. And yeah, I'm real violent, cause my life is wildin'. Yeah, I'm real violent. Yeah, I love the mileage. Chain gang, shouted from the chain. You'll see that little shouted slang, shouted. Hot cake, you wanna pop, then the 9 spray right behind the cake. Stop shooting that little shit, that little play. Y'all niggas all gay. Rule, y'all, salt, pop, rule. On gang bang, shouted, I come through with shouted who say he changed slang. Dang, your main dang. Say she switch games, then the bitch get brain. Then she say she wanna rock my chain. I tell this bitch to get on back before I smack and lay this hoe down. Feel like a flapjack. Shouty, yeah, I move the crack. You get a stack, the 9 to take a stack. Yeah, I shoot a tech. Blow, lay your bitches down with no respect. Cause they be saying, look, ooh, it's the shit. Yeah, I know the shit. Fuck a piss. Out the dome. You know that shit. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Don though, man. I'm just bullshitting around though. But feel the flow. I'm gonna come back and shoot something real hot after that. You know what I'm saying? I let your boy, Mr. U to the B to the Y, BTG gang, shout it. Now we do it. All about the dough. Let go.